Welcome back to week 3 of Cohort Survivor. This week features an all-team bowling challenge. Congratulations to the 3rd D'Amelio Sisters team on winning the challenge.
Hey, I'm Joe. And these days, with coronavirus running rampant around the world, I'm always using Clorox disinfecting wipes. Great on kitchen grease. Wipes up those stains nice. As you know, coronavirus is a type of virus. And guess what? Clorox kills cold and flu viruses. What else is there to say? Clorox.
Now it's time for post-challenge interviews.
I knew my team would win. These competitions are way too easy for us.
I thought my team did pretty good. I was kind of upset when Casey just knocked down all of the pins, but it's okay because we had fun.
Tiger Hood's team has nominated Tiger Hood and Big Poppy for elimination. Remember to vote this Friday and come back next week.